Hello everyone, welcome back. Today, before starting the video, I would like to thank all my subscribers and the viewers who are watching my videos regularly. And those who are new here, I am requesting you to please subscribe my channel so that you can watch me again. Let's see this cute holiday card. To make this card, we need some markers, pencil, glue stick, scissor, ruler, and some colored papers. So let's get started. I have already cut this two rectangle shaped pieces of different shades from the construction paper. So the big one, I just fold it a little bit, but I'm not just completely folding to cover this side. I will leave this gap so that I'm going to put one more rectangle inside like this to get two different shades of the card. Let's glue this small rectangle inside the card. Like this. You don't need to put glue everywhere inside. Just here it's fine. So this is how the card will look like, and it has got two different shades of blue. Now here you can, as you see, I have put the Christmas tree in this card. In the same way, you can just put whatever you want to make or whatever shape you want over here. So today I'm just doing a snowman. For that, I already have two circles, big one and the small ones. It doesn't need to be perfectly like a perfect round. It's okay if it is not a round, but because as you see, like snowman is not a perfect ball like or circle. So first I'm going to glue the big circle over here. So I'm just gluing the snowman on this half side of the paper like this. So little bit is outside this paper and it comes on the other shade of the blue. And on top of this circle, I'm going to put the head for this snowman. Like this. Now we need a hat for the snowman, so I would like to make a red hat. So on this red paper, I'm going to draw the hat first. And then I cut it. Isn't this cute? So I'm not, because I just draw the shape over here so that I can see the pencil marks. So I don't want the pencil marks. So I just glue this side. I just put glue on this side of the hat so that the pencil marks doesn't look on the top. Oh, how cute it is looking. Now let's draw eyes. And a mouth. I would like to draw a carrot for his nose. Let's give it a buttons. Now I'm taking a red marker to draw the scarf. Now I would like to add some snow. So this is a white marker. You can also use a white paint with a Q-tips, so that this way you can just make some snow around this snowman. It looks like the snow is falling. You can write whatever message you want to write inside, and you can also write happy holidays over here, or Merry Christmas, or whatever you want to write the message on the top, so you can write it according to your need. I hope you like this holiday greeting. See you next time. Bye bye.
If you like this video, be sure to give me a thumbs up and click the subscribe button so that you can find my channel anytime and watch such videos. Don't forget to share, and see you soon!